Hi and welcome to Crypto Market. We have some exciting updates that will keep you on the edge of your seat. So let's dive in. First up, Xumm, the non-custodial wallet for the XRP Ledger, has partnered with Uphold, a US-based financial platform. This partnership will allow Xumm users to purchase XRP using credit or debit cards through the new fiat-to-crypto on-ramp service, Topper, from Uphold. This integration will make it easier for users to interact with the XRP Ledger and third-party tools while keeping their keys safe. In other news, John Dayton, the lawyer representing XRP holders, is willing to file an amicus brief on behalf of Coinbase and Binance customers. Dayton shared insights into his role in the ongoing Ripple versus SEC lawsuit and what similarities the case shares with the charges brought against Binance and Coinbase. He pointed out that the SEC cleared Coinbase for its IPO more than 2 years ago and is now backtracking on its support, which is not in favor of the users of this platform. Attorney Dayton said he doesn't expect the two exchanges to defend their customers directly, but to focus on their own products. Lastly, the U.S. Department of Justice has accused two Russian individuals of infiltrating a cryptocurrency exchange and running an unlawful exchange. The pair gained unauthorized access to Mt. Gox servers from 2011 to 2014 and allegedly stole 647,000 bitcoins from the now dissolved exchange. We hope you found these updates informative and engaging. If you did, please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who might be interested. Stay tuned for more exciting news and updates from Crypto Market. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.